Hello SCUM community, I'm Chikabala and as you can see I'm totally telepathic. I'm a sculptor and I create stuff, and stuff that I create I'm really passionate about. Well, I'm passionate about the games, so if I get hooked on a game I create stuff from that game. I started with League of Legends, then I did a bunch of Hearthstone sculptures, I even played Pokemon Go at some point, made those. Then Escape from Tarkov came and I started making keycaps, which lead us to this point in time. I'm completely and literally hooked on SCUM. So I decided to make iconic shirt as a keycap, and I'll give away a few to you guys. And no, moderators of any group I post this to, please. This is not a self-promotion. I'm giving away shit for free and I'm not asking anything in return. Don't get me started how stupid the self-promotion rule is, please. I'm not showing shampoos here, I'm here as a SCUM fan, creating SCUM fucking shit, right? Hopefully I will focus some more attention on SCUM, which is well deserved, because the game is epic and will only get better. Developers are dishing patches like crazy. Okay? Try it out definitely. I'll say more about the giveaway at the end of the video. For now just relax and watch how this keycap came to be. And yeah, have fun, enjoy.
You're laughing, your eyes shine so bright. You always glow. And when we're older, we won't grow up.
I hope you enjoyed watching the entire process. Please check out the artist behind this music. His name is These Are The Shapes. Really cool songs and like really catchy and dancey. And he was really cool to give me permission to use his songs. I'll be giving away 3 of these keycaps to 3 lucky scumbags. And all you need to do is leave a comment on this video and cross fingers and toes, of course. Please consider subscribing, it's free, and I'll try to entertain you in the future with similar videos like this. Maybe teach you some sculpting if you want to get into this kind of hobby. And don't forget, I'm hooked on sculpt. I'll definitely be making scum sculpture, and one is really coming soon. 3 winners will randomly be chosen on 24th of December, 6 PM CET time, that's 5 PM GMT. I'll be streaming the giveaway here on YouTube, and it will be a nice Christmas gift for the lucky ones. And if the miracle happens and there are more than 100 comments, then I'll give away this AK-47 keycap. Wow. I'm really excited about this, guys, happy to be here, and see you in the next one. Hey, yeah, by the way, shout out to Loaf Lord. Like your videos, man. Cheers.